This is the last lab activity named color detector. The LED is composed of color red, blue, and yellow. So this activity is all about when I put for example, the color red above this LDR, the the serial monitor will show that it was detected a color yellow or red. So the blue is when I put the blue top of this LDR, the serial monitor will show it's composed of color. So here's the demonstration. So first, I'll put the color red. So the serial monitor will show that it detected color red here. Next, color blue. The serial monitor will show that it's detected color blue. That's one. So last, the color yellow. It will show in serial monitor that detected yellow, color yellow. So that's all. So that's the uh, lab activity all about. Thank you.